In 1953, a typewriter was found in an abandoned asylum, its keys stained with ink that never dry. Every owner claimed it typed stories on its own, stories that always came true. YouTuber Leela buys it for a cursed antiques video. Just a creepy prop, she says, typing a joke. Leela wins the lottery. The keys suddenly clatter. Leela disappears at midnight. At 11:59 p.m., Leela live streams to debunk it. The typewriter erupts, typing. The door opens, a shadow enters. Leela screams. The camera glitches, showing a silhouette looming behind her. Leela vanishes. Her last video loops the typewriter, now typing. You watched. You're next. Days later, viewers report their keyboards typing alone. One comment chills. It wrote my name. And my birthday is tomorrow.